Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Aryan Thacker, your coach and mentor. First of all, thank you so very much for all the love and support that you have been showering onto me. I think I would have been the first teacher who would have grown so huge in such a short span of time. It is all because of your love, support, and the trust that you have had on me. Now, what's coming next on my channel will be I'm going to give you a roadmap, the journey with Aryan Tutorials for the upcoming next few days for your examination. First of all, tomorrow as I wake up, I'm going to make a dedicated video on your reported speech and I'm going to clarify all your doubts. Post that, I will take up the PYQs of English paper 1. Now, many say that PYQ is of no use. I agree because ऐसा कभी नहीं होता है कि council आपको same question उठा के दे दे, but there is always a frequency of the repeated pattern of the question in your question paper. So that is why सबसे ज्यादा helpful रहेगा अगर कल आप अपना PYQs यानी previous year past year question को solve कर लीजिए, आपको एक overview मिल जाएगा onto the kind of question that council asks you. Okay, and then also in my third video I am going to come and address you all with the expert tips and advices as to how should your approach be to your question paper for the paper 1, English paper 1. And post that from 14 onwards, on a huge request, I will start with a revision series on English paper 2, where I'll be covering your Macbeth, your poem, and as far as possible, your proses as well. And my advice tips on how to write answers for 5 marks, 10 marks, give reasons, and lots of MCQs will be covered up in that video. Okay. And along with that, sample paper solving and answer tips to the students. And post that, one of my favorite subject, that is economics. I have always been known in my hometown as the best economics teacher, and I'm going to come up with the entire concept clarity, your diagrams, the questions, how you have to understand your analytical questions, and what should be your keywords that you have to incorporate while writing your answers in economics. Okay. Along with that, complimentary sample question papers on economics, which I myself have personally prepared for my students, and you can go to my Instagram handle and see how my past students have performed, so that you get the authenticity of my teaching and the content which I am providing you all with. It is all backed up by the ISC evaluators, and it is on the first hand guidance by them that I am bringing out this content to you all. And along with that, of course, my teaching experience of past 8 years and expert tips and advice on how to ace your paper, economics paper. So for that, please stay tuned. And if you're liking my content, then please do like, share, subscribe, and share this YouTube channel with your friends and help me grow more, so that you and your juniors, they do not have to go here and there looking for the expert advice and the way in which the study has to be done. Thank you so much for your love. Have a good time preparing for your exam and take care. Bye-bye.